Hello, I'm Barney Hawkins, Investment Director at True Potential. Welcome to Morning Markets on Monday, August 24th. Britain appears to be on course for a strong economic recovery in the third quarter. The shutdown of shops and restaurants had to be maintained for longer in the UK than elsewhere in Europe, and this was reflected in the poor second quarter figures. However, retail sales in July were 3.4% up on June's numbers and 1.4% higher than the same time last year. And in the first 2 weeks of August, consumer spending was 7% higher than this time last year as pent-up demand was released. So economists are forecasting a record increase in third quarter GDP and for the economy to expand by 14.3%. This would reverse more than half of the decline witnessed in the 3 months to June during lockdown and make the UK the top performing of the G7 nations. Rishi Sunak's Eat Out to Help Out scheme has proved immensely popular, and car sales in July were up 11.3% on a year earlier, with commuters keen to avoid public transport. The ending of the furlough scheme in October may make it difficult to carry this momentum through to the final quarter, but Andy Haldane, chief economist at the Bank of England, who's speaking on Wednesday, has been keen to point out that maintaining confidence is a key element in continuing the economic recovery. In the United States, markets will be looking to extend the gains made last week, which saw the S&P 500 hit a new all-time high. The market was spurred on by US manufacturing activity reaching a 19-month high, with home sales up nearly 25% in July. The annual Jackson Hole Economic Symposium is on Thursday and Friday, but is an online event this year, so it's unlikely to be the usual jamboree. But all eyes will be on Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell when he speaks on Thursday. On Friday, it's the turn of Andrew Bailey, Governor of the Bank of England, to speak, and markets will be looking to these two speeches for guidance on the future direction of monetary policy, bond buying programs, and potential initiatives to maintain the economic recovery. Individual companies in the headlines this week are likely to include Rolls-Royce, widely rumored to be mulling a substantial fundraising. The company has been hit hard by the decline of air travel and has seen its share price plummet. A rescue rights issue to raise an additional £2 billion has been suggested, but some analysts are forecasting that the fundraising may need to be even larger. Speculation that British Telecom may find itself the subject of a takeover bid have also surfaced following the dramatic fall in its share price. Its infrastructure assets have long been eyed by private equity companies, and there are reports of plans for a breakup of the company which would separate the Openreach division. Finally, an unlikely beneficiary of the COVID virus has been the price of timber, which has more than doubled this year as lockdown spurred a wave of renovation projects from fence mending to shed building and garden furniture construction. As I speak, the FTSE 100 has opened up 85 points, or nearly 1.5%. So let's hope for a good week. Thanks for watching and have a good day.